Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mack. In this video, we're talking the classic belt. It's one of our best sellers. Now let's take a closer look at this 100% American-made belt.
All right, guys, check it out. So this is the classic belt from Macks Belts, and this thing is built like a tank. So a little bit about Macks Belts is we're a 100% made in the USA. So this belt was built for you by a special operations veteran. So our leather is made in the USA. Our thread is made in North Carolina. Our steel is blast poured and cast in Ohio. And we use some really old American-made machines to build this belt. So I'm gonna go ahead and introduce some of those. Check it out. This is the youngest machine in the crew. This is a 1984 automatic screw machine. This is what we build our front rail with. Check it out. At Macks Belts, the side rails for our buckles are blanked out on this 1950s Brown & Sharp automatic screw machine. Check it out. So this 1962 automatic screw machine was at one point getting sent to the scrapyard. At Macks Belts, we put it back to work, this time building screw posts for the toughest belt in the world. Check it out. So after our screws come off the Davenport, the secondary op is to slot them. We do this with a Brown & Sharp horizontal mill. This machine was made in the U.S.A. It's really old, you can't even find one pretty much. And then after we do that, we take the burr off. Ready to go on a belt. All right, welcome back, guys. So if you're looking for an amazing belt that is gonna just be able to withstand anything that you put it through, then I would highly encourage you guys, go check out the classic belt from Macks Belts. There's 14 precision machine parts in this belt. This is vegetable tanned leather, highest quality leather in the world. The leather for this particular belt is made in Missouri. And so, as you guys can see, it's just an amazing product. We build all of our hardware from 316 stainless steel, and we machine every part ourselves. There's 14 precision machine parts in this belt. So, if you guys have any questions, just drop them in the comments. And thanks for watching, and we look forward to the opportunity to build you one of our unbreakable American-made belts. Thanks.
If you guys want to support a 100% American-made company that puts this flag first in every step of production, and that also puts veterans and vintage machines back to work, then head to macksbelts.com and gear up with a belt that's going to last you a lifetime. I look forward to going to work for you. Thank you for your time.